So when we create numerical expressions, some of these expressions are saying the exact same thing that this part is. It's just written a different way, but it means the same thing. So first off, let's identify the sum of 16 and 8. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. So this is going to look like 16 plus 8, which is B. But remember that addition is commutative. So D is also the sum of 16 and 8. It's just saying it the other way because 16 plus 8 is the same as 8 plus 16. Okay, so if they have a square to fill in, there's probably more than one answer, so you need to check all of them and make sure that they're saying what this says. Okay, so that's number 1. Try number 2 and 3 on your own. And let's see. For 4 and 5, this one they only have one correct answer. So let's look at number 4. It says 6 times the product of 5 and 4. So when I see a word like sum, difference, product, or quotient, that's letting me know that I need to resolve that first. So I'm going to put this inside of parentheses to show that this is the multiplication problem that needs to be done first. A number in front of parentheses means times, so I can go ahead and put that 6 on the outside of parentheses. Product means times. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 times 4 inside of parentheses. Okay, so let's see, B is the one that matches. A doesn't match because that's 6 divided by the product of 5 and 4. C doesn't match because that's 6 times the quotient of 5 and 4. And D doesn't match because that's 6 times the sum of 5 and 4. Okay, try number 5 on your own. For number 6, we are converting English language into math language. So this is the difference of 19 and 14. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So that's just 19 minus 14. Very easy. Okay, if you're not sure about what they mean, think about what you would do for those. Okay, so like 360 split 6 ways, I always like to think of like a cake or a pizza because I like food. And you know, if you're splitting up a big cake, you're dividing it into pieces. So this is a division problem. Okay, finish out that one. And for 8, 9, and 10, those are multiple choice. So you're matching, almost dropped that. You're matching the sentence to the math language version. So the English language version to the math language version. So this says 5 less than the sum of 23 and 4. Less than is a very specific type of subtraction phrase. It means that that 5 is going to be subtracted at the end. So less than means it goes at the end. And I treat more than the same way. It's more than is not as particular. Less than, though, it has to end with a minus 5. And so just having that information, I can pick which one is the right one because only one of them ends with minus 5. But let's go ahead and talk about the rest of it. The sum, that's the answer to an addition problem of 23 and 4. So that also tells me that this part needs to be dealt with before we subtract. So we can put that inside of parentheses. So that would be 23 plus 4, which is B. Go ahead and do the other 2 on your own.